Now let's move forward and differentiate between velocity of the wave and the velocity of medium particles. Here you can see a traveling wave and velocity of that particular wave is towards right. Okay? Observe the velocity of the wave particles now, which are marked as blue, red, and yellow at different displacements. In which direction these medium particles are moving? Are they moving towards right? Just think and observe. Let me draw guidelines for your understanding. Oh, yes, they are not moving towards right or left. The medium particles are just moving up and down. So, we established the fact here that medium particles are just oscillating up and down, they are not going with the wave. It is the only disturbance which travels through. Also, have a look that the velocity of the particle at extreme positions, for example at crusts or troughs, is zero. Whereas at mean position, or you can say at undisturbed position, the velocity of the medium particle is maximum. On the basis of the motion of medium particle, wave are actually further divided into two types, that is transverse and longitudinal waves, but this is the topic for another video. Coming back to our traveling wave again, let's discuss how do we plot the wave on various axes. As you can visualize, this wave is plotted on distance axis. Along x-axis we have distance. Similarly, we can plot our wave on time axis as well. Here on the right panel, you can see time along x-axis and the motion of the blue pointer is depicted on the graph as a function of time. This is the way to plot wave on time axis. The time between two similar points on this graph is termed as a time period, as we have defined it previously. Let's have a look in detail on the wave plots on time axis. Here you can see the graph on time axis. One wave is completed in one time period, and similarly a half cycle in t by 2 and so on. So you can show your wave on time axis like this. Similarly, you can plot the wave as angle or phase on x-axis. Your wave will look like this. As we know that for one complete oscillation, it refers to 2 pi or 360. So the wave can be plotted like this, and x-axis is showing you the phase or angle. This notation of the wave is very helpful when we need to find the phase difference between the waves. We will be utilizing this concept in our upcoming videos. Hope so you have understood the basic concept of waves. You are in the position to describe waves and its various properties in different applications. If you have any question related to this topic, feel free to write a comment below. We will love to answer your comments. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly do subscribe our channel so that you can get the notification for our upcoming videos. Our upcoming videos will cover phase difference and path difference. Similarly, the interference of the waves. Then we will also be having a discussion on principle of superposition and stationary waves. Thanks for your time.